So in this video, we're going to talk about what a lead generation agency is and why you should start one.
Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're Liz and Pedro and we're the founders of Ubishi, a lead generation agency. In today's fast-moving business world, it's essential for any company to find high-quality leads to grow and succeed. But with all the competition, it can be very challenging for businesses to find new clients by themselves. This is where lead generation agencies come into play to save one of the most important things, time. And time also means money.
What is a lead generation agency? A lead generation agency is a specialized company that helps businesses identify, attract, and qualify potential customers, known as leads. So a lead generation agency helps companies find clients for them. Of course, every business has its definition of clients. Some could be B2C, which means business to clients, and other like ours, B2B, so business to business, or it could be a combination of both.
So why should you start a lead generation agency? Just think about any business. Could be recruitment agencies, real estate agencies, manufacturing companies, or even marketing and advertising agencies. And ask yourself, what's one of the most common problems that all of them face? Sales. That means getting more clients. So starting a lead generation agency is actually a pretty good idea because you're never gonna run out of work. And most importantly, you will help clients resolve their problems. In conclusion, lead generation agencies play a vital role in helping businesses acquire new customers and grow their revenue. In this modern world of the internet, there's nothing you cannot learn, or you can learn with us here.
Why are lead generation agencies important? Cost effectiveness, saving businesses time and money. Expertise and specialization. Automation and high quality prospect, which means clients. Scalability. A lead generation agency works based on its clients' needs and are constantly innovating. Access to a wider network, get in touch directly with the people who make important decisions, and time and resource efficiency. This allows businesses to focus on essential activities and processes to improve their service. Understand your business to understand your client's business. There are a lot of ways to generate leads for you and for your client's business, but let's just start with the most common way that you can do.
Cold email campaign. This is what we use in our own agency. This kind of campaign focuses on crafting and executing an offer based on cold email campaigns to reach potential clients.
If you want to learn this specific process, watch this video.
Social media marketing agencies. They promote businesses through social platforms, building brand awareness and engaging with potential clients.
Telemarketing agencies conduct outbound calling campaigns to reach prospects directly and qualify them as leads. And there's a lot more on the market. Also, you can find more in the description below.